Hello guys, mag-video ako guys, kaya magdikdik ako ng palay. Panoorin niyo ako. Hello. Bakit lang dinidikdik ko? You wouldn't have work best only like this mobile, right? Seeing mobile, seeing YouTube. Itu apa kali? Maliit. Ano? Ano na? Mama? Mama? Busin ako na. Mama. Wala. Dilait. After 8 man, finish your food kay na. Not coming big. Finish the food.
Ladi boy.
Ba't ka na ka?
Ay, mare.
Oh, what ni? Ay daladi. What ni kayo? Ba't kan?
Ora ko to tirni. Ora ko to ni mini getam. Ana zaga wana. Enne.
Enne na. Buzen na.
Enne di.
Edi.
Enne di to ho. Enne di le hore. Ora ko to ni. মাটি সব লাগিয়েছে ওই সেই চাল লাগছে না এটা আর কত হিটে হিট লাগবে এখন কত দাম দিই না সরাই ধর কত ওরা ধর এটা হেঁটে নিয়ে দিই কিন্তু কালে রাস্তা দিছি তো নেই
Dilait. Ela.
बात लोग ले तू দেবী দুর্গু
Hello dito kajak ya.
হ্যাঁ
Dito. Kajak sih.
আজ্জা রোন দেখছো
Hah?
রোন
Kok?
আল্লাহ
Lala it. Lala it.
দিশে তেরে হাঁটে যে তুই এত ব্যালেন্স ব্যালেন্স না করবি হাঁটে বলে দুই দিচ্ছি কত লোক হয়ে গেল যাচ্ছি আজকে বুঝছি আজকে বোলা তুই দিয়েছি হানি হয় না এখন যাই কিন্তু একটু ভাত খাই তুই কোনো হলো জিনিসটা আজকে তুই রোজেরও সংগম করে আজকে তুই গাবলা আইতেছে
Yalla ita. Yeah.
Starting on the base? How bold! But look how cute these coats are! Hello! Nice! Barreling through, people! Ooh! Ah! We're almost there! And now for the final view! Hey guys! Huh? I'll come back later. Whatever. Okay, making it to the home stretch. Oh, cute! Wow! I kinda love it! But why should my base have all the fun? Final three! That does it! Phew! That took some real effort. But now I look like a real rocker! You like it? Uh-huh! Hey! Crazy Kate! When it comes to a good pucker, it's all about the glittery gloss. Perfect! Oh, what's with the crazy wind? Kimoni? What happened? Just a little wind. Why? You've got a little situation. I'm all glossy. Stop laughing at me, Kylie. Is this funny? Aw, man. Challenge accepted. Oh, it's so sticky. 100 layers of lip gloss, huh? Feels kinda nice
Yalla,
up
mami,
there.
eat, mami.
Am I stuck? Come on, you stupid hand! Phew. Got some glue. Yikes. I've got some cleaning to do.
Doodle. That's doodle.
Just on my reporting here. I'm going through this stuff with water. Getting a little sticky here. It looks great. Hey! My lips are getting tired. We got this. I've got to be getting close now. Keep on going. Last one. I can't even feel my lips anymore. Seriously? Get off! All
Hindi
finished.
na.
Well, that wasn't so bad. Now this is good selfie material. Oh, your lips are so big. Let me try that. What's in this tube anyway? You used it all up. Looks pretty good. Huh? When was the last time we dusted? Thanks a lot, Julie.
Sige, jong kang dapat di ka na ning.
It's filthy. I've just got to clean it, okay? Seriously, Julie? Thanks for the feather manicure. 100 layers stacked. It's time for the 100-layer challenge here at Multi-Do Foods. Take a comfy seat. It's gonna be fun. The spoon is big and the ice cream is small. Weird. Mine is perfect. My spoon is too small. You can celebrate later, Ted. Time is ticking. My spoon doesn't fit. Enjoy your meal. No big deal. If the spoon doesn't fit, I'll just use my hands. The taste is what's important. Ew, she's not very proper. At least I ate my ice cream. That wasn't enough, though. I'm already done. That means it's my turn.
Ano rin hatro dancers ni?
Spoon is the perfect size for this bucket. And you're still
Come,
messy.
Dan. কম।
ম্যাগি
That was tasty.
এই ম্যাগি ওই ম্যাগো ট্যাগো ইসি ইসি এবার কথা আছে না বরফ কমে গেছে না না আলাদা কিছু দুপুর আলাদা
Ngalan na. Ay, das muna, das. Das.
Now it's your turn. Lunch is an idea.
Aray. Sakit. Lapat lang. Master it.
ভাত খাসা গা তো পিঠে হয়েছে ভাত খেতে অনেক ভরি করছে এটা কল দিলে তোরা তো যাই দিন তোরা তো যাই
Taxi was waiting for me. I have a ton of cola and Mentos too. Well, let's start. How cool! A cola explosion! It's not getting on me!
আল্লাহ
I didn't know that was gonna happen. We're all wet. I don't like limes. Good thing I only have one. They're so sour. Why so many? You don't have that many. I have a ton. Okay, I'll go first. But I don't have to eat this out. For exactly, I'll drink it. Maybe that'll be tastier. That is sour.
Put the cheese. Bangga. Boom.
I know, but I'm not scared. I'll probably do the same.
লোকগুলো গাড়ি একটা কত বড় তিন জায়গা গাড়ি গেল এটা কালকে সারি না Làm gì hay gì nữa.
Whatever. Here, take some candy. Oh, sure, why not?
Cái hai cái gì nữa thì.
Oh, no, I
Cái thứ thứ ba cái rồi thì đi về luôn này rồi.
calm down.
Cái thứ tiền sang.
I'll go first. I'll tell you how to
Kang dito, ano rin yun si Araso.
Hả? कैसे?
Bakla.
really spicy. I need no
हाँ कैसे?
Bakla diba?
लगते थे.
Ay, may bakla kasi.
thanks a lot.
Yala, finish your food. Ano na yan?
Basement. Good thing it's unlocked. Thank you, Miss T. Please don't come if you're. Oh, rats! Yay! Hello, rats. Hello, rats. I find and collect mouse. Well, I can't wait. I can't grab a mouse. Do we need a cage? Where's the cage anyway? How far? I don't think I need it. Let me see if I can find a cage anywhere. Hello, Miss T. Close this. Hey gamers! Sophie here and welcome to Cherry Pop Production Gaming. If you're new here, welcome. And if you enjoyed the video, consider giving us a like and subscribe. Today we're playing Shotgun Mystery House. Because it's spooky month, and I thought you guys might enjoy this. Hey gamers! Sophie here and welcome to Cherry Pop Productions Gaming. If you're new here, welcome. And if you enjoyed this video, consider giving us a like and subscribe. Today we're back to play Scary Francis. So let's see where we last left. So this is a special and we left up on this. Isn't it real? Now imposter versus imposter. Ooh, Among Us. It's Among Us. Okay. Oh, the girl also joined. Oh, there's Lester and Bob. Okay. She is here too. Why is she here? She's the imposter. Walk her out. Oh, then I need to watch a video. Well, I'll see you when I lost it. Okay, I unlocked it. What is inspired? Oh yeah, it's Kitchen Eve. Yeah, I did that on the last video. So let's play imposter versus imposter. Yay. Imposter on the neighbor by making him
हाँ?
villain.
कौन हो?
What are these blocks for? I think we need
बात.
Okay, let's play. Okay,
काल ग्रुप से बात करती हूँ. भाग वाला री टाइम से. ये तो बावड़ा हाल है. अब तक तक है.
okay. That was weird. Mess with the neighbor's secret party. Okay. Hints. Reveal hints. Find and open Miss T's gift. Gift is placed in the bedroom.
आंसू बुलानी करो.
Taxidermy room. Oh yeah.
ये मसीर मुलारी आसना करो.
Oh my God.
Open the box. Paper cutters placed on the side. Table and CBA. Okay, sure. Wait.
मन के लिए बेटी दांडी तो ले ले. अब कहना मत रहना खाली इतना.
Going downstairs. Okay, they say the gift is placed in. Here's firecracker. Hey gamers, Sophie here and welcome to Cherry Production Gaming. If you're new here, welcome. And if you enjoyed this video, consider giving us a like and subscribe. Today we're back at Scary Teacher 3D. Now we're playing the Assault Chapter
Sunod.
New Year's Festivity.
Then you eat your sweets there, have in the plate there. The sweets.
There's only two frames, and the rest are coming
Sweets.
soon. They have to be patient.
Daro.
So today we're playing these two frames. Let's start with
Later you eat there in the house, not here. Wala, sit. Yes, yes,
and the
yes.
birds are attacking her.
What?
Good for the birds. I'm proud of you. Turn Miss T's simple cleaning routine into a full-fledged bird attack. Oh gosh.
There's only one spoon, no?
Miss T, are you going to
Ito yung litro. Parang, kailan you eat?
Trace seeds on Miss T's
Kaya labo ko, bukara mo diba? Kaya kaya. Tagdagan ya.
You stand around, you eat your sweets there. You eat your sweets there in the room.
I never said let's try finding it. Is it in here? Nope. How about in here? Still no. Nope. Where is her hat? This is her hat. Okay. I think this is supposed to be her hat. Now I have to find the seat. Oh, she's going upstairs. Okay, let's go down. Let's go down. Seats. Are there any seats here? No. Is there any seats here? Nope. Seats? No. Okay. I'm not sure how to break the ice. Maybe I need a hammer. Let me go find a hammer.
Kiyit ka, kiyit.
Wait, let me close this. I don't want these people to find me. That's the candle thing. There's the hammer. Okay, now let's get out of here. Oh, God, she's sleeping. Okay, let's go to the shed. It's right here. Is there ice on this side as well? Oh, man. Why, Misty? Okay, let's break the ice. How do I break the ice? Let me use the hinge. The seeds are in the basement. Okay, let's go to the basement. Miss T, where are you going? She's going to the kitchen. No. Wait, where is Missy? Please not outside. No. Go upstairs, Miss T. She's going outside. Oh, let's check up here then. Okay, now let's close this. Good, there's no bear traps. Thank you, Miss T. Okay, get the seeds. There's the seeds. Bird seeds.
So cheap, so the peanut.
Seeds on Miss T's head. Okay.
Yes.
I think I should use this
Gross karon.
Okay.
It's a nuts. Yes, it's good. Hila. Good for the bone.
In here. Oh, no, I think it's there. Hey, hurry. Okay, there. Make sure
Saan
Miss
ka
T
ba?
flips when birds attack. How will I do that? Tamper with Miss T's special shoes. The shoes are in this gym. Remove the grip from shoes. Okay. Oh, hurry up. Go to the gym. Hurry. Okay, I'm getting closer. There it is. You remove it. Make sure Miss T doesn't find out. I don't know how. Let me use the hints. Use paint to make fake grills. Paint is in the shed. What? It's in the shed? grip. Remove. Okay. Now I have to find paste, but that's impossible. Misty! Escape! Okay. Misty! You nearly gave me a heart attack.
Kidi si di Rosmalay. Hanip ni
Okay, this tea pink there. Can I
Rosmalay.
pick it up? No, I can't interact with it. Wow. What do I use to break the ice? What should I
Go bien.
use? Do I have to use scissors? Maybe I can pour water on it.
Idi bagbara na to.
Oh, she's there. Okay, okay.
Issue.
Isunod idi. Idi.
Ate betsin di issue there.
Idi ba siya na sina. Idi ba siya.
Ha?
Okay, maybe we can use it.
Bari de kya?
Sauce. Maybe we can use
Na
it.
labo na.
I think firecracker and okay.
Ang kita kya?
Let's try it. Let's use the tea first. Why this tea is hot?
Yeah.
The tea must be hot.
Why jigulo itang goro.
Garbage. I'm on the hot sauce. Nope, it also doesn't work. Garbage. Throw some of your stuff there, Miss T, if you don't mind. Okay, let's go. Get the seeds. Oh, great, Miss T is there. Okay, where is Miss T going? Oh, man, she's going upstairs. Why, Miss T? Because she just got outside. Miss T, please go downstairs. No, Miss T. So I'm gonna put these bird seeds on Miss T pad. Okay, guys, I restarted. So let's get the bird seed. I should have opened the
Wala na.
grip from the shoe first. Because Misty found out Misty has gotten smart. Okay, go get the bird seed. I don't want to close the door. I'm too lazy. Okay, hurry. Get the bird seed. Okay. What else? What else am I gonna do? Firecracker? Why you gave me a heart attack? Okay, escape now. Misty, why? Okay, this just works. I'm gonna use a firecracker. Wait, I need matches. No, Misty! That's where I wanted to go, Misty. Wait, where are you going? Oh, good, you're going upstairs. Okay, hurry, Misty. Hurry, take your time. Well, not really. Don't take your time. Okay, is there? She's going back downstairs. Why, Misty? Misty is smart. She can already tell that I'm going there. Misty. Okay, go back upstairs, Misty. Go do whatever you're doing right now. Okay, good. Good job, Misty. Okay, where did
Remove the chair. Remove the chair. Remove the chair.
Your hair looks kind of horrible. Okay, now how do I do this? Do I drop this? Oh. Oh man, I have to find another one. Now Missy's going downstairs. Or maybe she heard the loud sound. Oh no, Missy's gonna come here. I'm gonna hide here. Hopefully Missy's
Finish it. Finish.
And the chocolate one and the vanilla one. Just a chocolate chip and then banana and for the plate.
Go wash this one. And that's one pot in the rack after wash. First put mobile there. Put mobile there. Hala, go wash. Put mobile in the chair. Hey! Wash.
Fine.
Wash.
I want it for my picture.
Okay, put some more.
It's very business.
Where's the spoon? Spoon put like it in the room. What?
The chocolate vanilla ice cream.
Tumigil ka. No more ice cream. Cold time, no more ice cream. No more. It's winter, no more ice cream now.
Mau mandi di pakai dulu.
finish already. First, Baba, leave only 2 bags. 2 bags finish. And the Snickers.
How about Mama with the chocolate cream?
Chocolate cream no more. Only Snickers have.
Just leave it.
All Kinder is finished.
Whatever. Maybe give them the chocolate cream. Mama make.
Chocolate drink later.
Even
Did you drink water?
yeah. So Mama did the decoration like chocolate.
Later. And snacks time.
Yeah.
Snacks times. Now, what time? Just now you finish eat rice.
Okay. After Mama did the chocolate biscuit and chocolate cream. Same color. Even the lady bag have that circle. All of the day from his face. And Mickey. Why the bush is like that? Okay, let's get on it. Sorry, you put that when first button and you're starting again. You're pressing for me.
You feel sound, huh? The back hungry. Let's see.
You can see next the cartoon. Quite good. Oh, I love this. Quiet. After this video, I like mistake.